Good evening, parents, guardians, and families. Welcome back to our open house at Oliver Hoover Elementary. I am the very proud principal of this amazing school. My name is Mercy Aguilar, and we're also excited to have you here tonight as we kick off another fantastic school year. This is a truly special year for our school. We are proud to celebrate 25 consecutive years as an A-rated school. That represents a quarter century of academic achievement, dedicated educators, and incredible students. In addition, Oliver Hoover is recognized as a Gold STEAM school, and last year we officially opened our brand new STEAM lab to enhance our hands-on learning, technology, engineering, arts, and math program. We are thrilled to welcome back all of our wise owls for another outstanding year of growth and discovery. Next, I would like to introduce my administrative team and our support personnel team. Dr. Lopez and Ms. Abate are our assistant principals, and my support personnel team is Ms. Montero, Ms. Gonzalez, and Ms. Urtiaga, who are here to support our students in any which way possible.
Good evening, parents, and welcome to our open house event. My name is Maria Lopez, and I am one of the two assistant principals who's here to serve you and your child. I'd like to start this evening with a couple of reminders regarding our school uniform policy. To maintain a focused and safe learning environment, uniform compliance is mandatory daily. The tops are royal blue or white polo shirts with the school emblem, and these are worn on Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. Wednesdays are the only days designated for the Oliver Hoover school shirt or any club or class shirt that the students may have. Bottoms are navy blue or khaki shorts, skirts, or pants, and please note that jeans and leggings are not allowed. Outerwear are jackets and sweaters that must be solid royal blue or navy blue with no patterns, writing, or graphics. Hoodies are not allowed. An important reminder, parents, please make sure that you label your child's sweaters, jackets, lunch boxes, book bag, and water bottles with their name so that we can return missing items promptly. Also, as a reminder, uniform shirts and accessories are available through the main office or PTA site. Safety is our single highest priority. We enforce strict campus security protocols to ensure a safe learning space for every child. Please remember that all parents, guardians, and visitors must show a valid government issued ID at the front office whenever entering the school building. No exceptions. We have two vital forms that require every family's attention tonight. Number one is the free and reduced lunch application. All students will receive free breakfast every day. However, in order to qualify for a free or reduced lunch, families must complete the income survey application online. Effective September 28th, students without an approved application will be charged for lunch. Links and a step by step video tutorial are posted on Class Dojo, social media, and our school website. Also, the media release form. We love showcasing our students' accomplishment. Please review, sign, and return your child's media release form as soon as possible. We welcome and encourage strong family involvement. And there are three simple ways you can do that. Number one, join our PTA. Becoming a PTA member enriches the students' programs, school events, and educational resources. Number two, parent conferences. Clear communication is essential. If you would like to schedule a parent conference, please reach out directly to your child's teacher. And finally, please stay connected. Follow our social media channels posted here on this slide and check hoover.dateschools.net regularly for school updates and calendars.
Good evening, parents, and welcome to Oliver Hoover Elementary's open house. I am Miss Abate, one of the proud assistant principals at this great school. Tonight I will be reviewing with you the Miami-Dade County Public Schools Parent Portal. This is a wonderful educational tool that you can use to help stay on top of your child's grades and attendance. All you will need to access this is dateschools.net, your student's ID number, as well as your parent PIN. The unique parent PIN numbers are available to you, should you not have it, at either location's main office, either the PLC or the main campus. We will be happy to help you set this up. Attendance really does matter at Oliver Hoover Elementary. So if your child is a VPK child through first grade, attending either the PLC or a first grader at the main campus, we are asking that you arrive by 8:10. This will ensure that our owls are in their seats and ready to learn by 8:20. If your child is a second grader through fifth grade, we are suggesting that your arrival time is at 8:25. That will ensure that they are in their seats and ready to learn by 8:35. Good attendance means being in school 95% of the time. We will be having attendance parties, class competitions, raffles, and we would not want your child to miss out. But we know that sometimes you have to schedule appointments. We are kindly asking that you do this outside of our school hours. Should your child be absent, please ensure that a note is brought to your child's teacher within 3 days of the absence. If not, you can also submit a note to 2521 attendance at dateschools.net. Please, no notes through Class Dojo. We want to take this time to thank you all for coming this evening and partnering us with your child's education. You are definitely the reason why Oliver Hoover Elementary has been an A-rated school for 25 years and counting. Thank you so much. On behalf of our administration, we wish you a wonderful evening.